Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sergio, and today we're going to be learning how you could write into a text file in Java. So if this video helps you at all, please leave a like and let's get into the video. So the first step of creating and writing into a text file using Java, the first step is obviously to create that file. So we're going to do file writer. So this is the name of the class file writer, and we're going to be using this class to create the file. Now we're going to create a name for it, so we'll call it writer, and we're going to set it to a new file writer. And now in these parentheses, inside of double quotes, we're going to write the path of the file. So basically you could choose exactly where the file that you're going to make is going to come out. So to see the path of where you want your file to come out, you go to that location. So for example, I want my file to come out in the desktop. So here in the File Explorer, we're going to right click and hit Properties, and you're going to start with Users and then User and then the name of the location that you're at right now. So for me, that is Desktop. So I will come back here and put Users, User, and then Desktop. And then you're going to pick the name of the file. So we'll say file1.txt. So now you're going to see that file writer is red. That's just because you did not do the import yet, and there we go. But just by doing the Alt and Enter, you're going to be able to do the import quickly. And that's going to import java.il.filewriter for you. So you will notice that it is still red under this file writer though. That is because while creating this file, there could still be a problem. For example, you might have misspelled something, or that location just does not exist. So to fix that, we're going to Alt and Enter, and then we're going to add the exception to method signature. That means that we're going to now throw the IO exception. So what that means is while creating this file, if there's a problem, it's going to throw this exception. So now this file is now created. So now let's do writer, the name of the object that we made, dot write. That is the method that you can use to write into the file. And now in double quotes, you could say exactly what you want to go into that file. So for example, you could say, hi, my name is Sergio. And so now we're just going to do writer.close. So that's just good practice to close once you're done using the file writer class, just to make sure that there's no problems that happens later on. So before we actually press the run button, let's just make sure that the desktop has no file first, right? And now let's hit that run button. And now when we go onto the desktop, there's a file. It's called file1.txt, which is the exact name that we gave it. So now we can open the file, and there we go. So it says, hi, my name is Sergio, the exact same thing that I wrote right here. You can also put strings into this parentheses. So I could say word, and I could make a string called word and set it to Sergio. And here I could press run. Now, since the file was already made, now it's just going to overwrite that file. So if I come back here, there's still one file. And if I open this, it's just going to say now Sergio. So that was actually pretty easy. Now you guys know how to create a file in Java and to put it exactly to a location that you want. And now you guys also know how to write into that file. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.